Recently, I've been asked a lot of questions about, Aisha, what is the job outlook for Scrum Master? Interest rates are going high, the recession is coming, we're in inflation. What are things I can do to help prepare me for this upcoming recession that's coming up? And I look and I see that there's a lot of fear in the community. There's a lot of fear about, oh, what's going to happen to my job? What's going to happen to me? I want to get into this IT field. Is it still safe for me to apply? Is it still safe for me to make this career transition? Is it like even a place for me to get in during this turbulence that's about to come? So I'm here to tell you all today not to be so worried about what's coming up. And the Scrum Master job is still very, very much high in demand. Welcome back to Aisha Scrum. I'm very happy to have you all today. So let's get into it. So if you all recall, right, let's think back to like a year ago, or 2 years ago, during when the pandemic hit, right? The pandemic hit, the stock market fell, right? Everything is in turmoil. People were losing job left and right. People were stuck at home. They couldn't go to work. And then everyone was thinking like a lot of people still lost their job. A lot of people still also gained their job. And during that time, a lot of people were stuck at home and they were thinking, okay, what can I do where I can start doing income? So during that time, if you notice, there's a lot of increase in social media use, right? TikTok became a thing, a lot of creators were made. And also during the pandemic, according to the research I've done, I've found that for new businesses, 75% of new businesses was open during the pandemic. Almost everyone opened a business and everyone created an LLC. Although it was a time that was turbulent, but it also forced us as humans to look at other things we can do to help create an income. So I'm here today to connect about us Scrum Masters. What can we do to help prepare us for this upcoming recession? And now I'm sure a lot of people too are still afraid about losing their job. So there are things that I'm currently actually doing to prepare me for in case of what's going to happen in the future. But the good thing is that according to the research that I've done that the Scrum Master job is have like increase of almost 40% that's going to be continue to increase in the next job outlook. Although like we might be like in inflation right now, but just know that that's just like a little moment of things that's going on. It won't go past maybe hopefully a year or two where we all can be in this turmoil. But research have always showed that if you look back at almost a year ago, 2 years ago, from when the pandemic hit, everything fell, the stock market was down, and now look at where we are when everything came back up. And although right now too, everything is falling, but it went back up, the economic bloomed and all. So nothing is here to last. So things that I've done, I'm going to be sharing you to all like things that I'm doing right now. Things that I've done was to help me prepare for this in case of anything. All know that as a Scrum Master, we have like multiple skills, right? The four most skills that we all have as practicing Scrum Master is teaching, coaching, mentoring, and facilitation, right? So I looked at everything I have in my skill. I was like, okay, I know I've been working in safe environments for a while, and I feel like I'm in a position now where I can start my journey to have my certification in safe. So I recently just got my safe certification as in Scrum Master, although I've had my certification in regular Scrum, just for me to help polish my skill and polish my knowledge in safe agile. So that's one thing I've done. And if you are someone that you're a Scrum Master and you're looking at everything you have, like, okay, in case if I lose my job, what else can I do? Or what else can happen? Which I know people might think that they might lose their job, but there's still a lot more things you can do. So another thing you can do to help prepare you in case of something is to polish your skills. Polish your skills because if you do polish your skills, you can gain more knowledge, right? And as you gain more knowledge, then you are gaining more experience and skill sets you can now use to help. And for example, too, like I did the safe certification. Maybe another person, like, oh, based on my background right now and according to my career profile, I will benefit from learning Kanban. So then something you can now invest and learn on Kanban, whereby in case, God forbid, like you do lose your job or something, you can go to jobs whereby they'll look at your profile, they'll see that, oh, you've been working as a Scrum Master in your environment, but oh, recently I just did say Kanban to learn and help improve better myself in this knowledge. So you become more competitive, whereby Recruiters, I mean, like companies, whereby companies will take you over someone that just have a regular Scrum certificate. Although I know it's true, it's not required for you to have all of that, but continuously polishing your skills and look for better skill set to help you that can literally guide you in this upcoming recession or inflation that's continue going on. Other thing too that I've also learned that being in general, not just only in IT or anything, I know growing up we always will be asked, what do you want to be when you grow up? We always will choose like one career path, right? Oh, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a lawyer, I want to be a software engineer, I want to be a business. But as I continue to grow up and as I continue to get older in life, I realize that you do not only need one career path to make it in life. You literally can do multiple things. You can have multiple sources of income. You can have multiple skills. You can learn any new skill set at any given time in your life. So, for example, for someone like currently, let's just say we have like a new aspiring Scrum Master. So, like maybe you went to college and now you're at the position you want to get in an entry level Scrum Master position, and you continue to apply for Scrum Master job and you continue to apply for entry level jobs, and you find that it's so difficult. So the next thing I will do, the next thing I will start asking myself, okay, I know I want to work in the IT field. I know this is my passion. This is what I do. I love the technology part of things, and that's the environment I want to work in as I continue to grow in life. So it's so difficult for me to get an entry level Scrum Master position. What else is out there? Can I put my feet in the door to get into this field, to get into this tech IT world? So for those of you that don't know that, Scrum Master is one thing. You can also be a project manager. You can also go in for a business analyst. Yes, and they have all of this as entry level position. You can have entry level as a project coordinator, also a cyber security. So all these other different environments, you can work entry level position. And in cybersecurity also have like different ways you can come in and get in entry level. And some of these jobs too, you do not need a bachelor's degree. And that is so true. You can do your research. Even some of these Scrum Master jobs, some of it too, when you look online, you look at on Indeed, it tells you like required is high school diploma, preferred a bachelor's degree and certificate. But for the most part, for the most people though that I've been working with, the people that have a degree, but that is not the mandatory requirements to have for you to even apply. It's preferred for most of the job, but just for you to know that at any given point, you can learn new skills, you can leverage what's online, and we can use YouTube University, like, right? We all know there's everything in YouTube where you can learn new skills to make yourself better and increase your craft, whereby you can be more presentable for any job that will come your way. And also, you are preparing for what's coming up. So I just want to let you all know that do not give up. Use this moment and use this opportunity to learn new skills, like in any phase you are. And if you're already a Scrum Master, even better, continue to polish your skill, join community of practice, go to seminars, network with Agilists and everywhere. And if you're someone that want to get into it to be a Scrum Master, continue applying, continue doing your research and learn about Scrum, and also learn about other ways you can get in IT. And for my case also, I continue to learn, I continue to do research, and this YouTube thing I just started too is something that was, okay, now I have all this knowledge, let me see what I can do to give back to the community, and at the same time doing what I love, which is to teach and mentor. And you all also that already have like a bunch of years of experience, regardless of your field or your background, you can also use that opportunity to give back, maybe like mentoring new junior Scrum Master, or like use this opportunity to polish your skill. Like if you want to be a better facilitator, there's like ICRJ have like these nice certifications that where you can go in and learn better facilitation technique, where you can able to facilitate and be more productive at your job. So I just want to let you all know that even though like there's a turmoil in everywhere, like inflation is so high and people are saying, oh my God, we might lose our job. Oh my God, what if I get fired? But all of this is just for the moment. It's not something that's going to last, right? We all know that this might happen, but maybe like 2-3 years from now, it will still pass. It will still pass and our economy is going to come back up and run like never before. So just use this moment to polish your skills, nail new skills, network with people, and know that yes, you can do it. And I just want to use this moment to encourage you all and know that Do not give up and continue pushing through for your passion, and know that this position is something that as you continue to thrive, you will definitely get it one day. Thank you all for taking your time to listen to me. I truly appreciate you all. If you find my content valuable, please like and subscribe to Aisha Scrum platform. I truly appreciate you all, and see you all again next time.